The Google Chrome browser offers an inbuilt browser feature free for everyone to store all the website user IDs and passwords securely. You can access and manage these passwords using Chrome browser from any device using the same Google account. To access the password manager, click the More icon next to your profile image at the top right on Chrome. Click Settings. Click Autofill on the left side menu. Click Passwords. It is very convenient to save the user ID and password when you log into a website using Chrome. Once the password is saved, you don't need to enter the user ID and password when you visit the website again. To save the password, you have to turn on the option Offers to save passwords on the Google Chrome browser. This will allow Chrome to prompt you to save the password when you log into a website for the first time. Toggle the Offers to save passwords to On. Once this option is enabled, Chrome will offer the option to save password when you log into a website. This password can be found in Chrome's Saved Passwords. Now, you can scroll down to view all the passwords. You can also search the password for a particular website using the Search Passwords box at the top right. Click the View icon next to the password to view the password. You will be prompted to enter the Windows credentials as additional security before viewing the password. Click the More icon to edit, copy, or remove the password. You will be prompted to enter the Windows credentials as additional security before performing any of these actions. Click the More icon next to a password to remove the password. You will be prompted to enter the Windows credentials as additional security before removing the password. You will be prompted for a few seconds to undo the password deletion. If you click Undo a password deletion, the removed password will be restored. To the right of Saved Passwords, click the Add button. Enter a website, username, and password. Click Save. If you're signed into your Google account on Chrome, password will be saved to your Google account, or it will be saved locally on your device. When the password is saved to your Google account, it will be available for you to access from any other devices using the same Google account. When you log into the specific website next time, your user ID and password are already filled by Chrome. To the right of Saved Passwords, next to Add button, click More Actions. Click Export Passwords. You will be prompted to enter the Windows credentials as additional security to export the passwords. All the stored passwords will be exported in CSV format to store locally. Save this file in a secured location. These passwords are visible to anyone who can access this file. Click Check Passwords. You'll get the list of passwords compromised in a data breach and if any passwords may be weak. You can refresh the list by clicking the Check Again button. Change these passwords immediately to keep your account safe.